If you are here, you are probably interested in leading a happy, healthy life. You are probably interested in the benefits of avocado oil for your body, and you are willing to pay a little more to sustain a healthy lifestyle.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best avocado oil. So let's get started. Number 1. Nutiva Organic Avocado Oil. Like other brands, Nutiva is committed to making high-quality avocado oil without any pesticides or glyphosate. But, because of Nutiva's stringent guidelines in partnership with organic avocado farmers, it's also earned a USDA organic seal that can give you peace of mind that the avocado oil you're using is the cleanest and purest. The oil is steam refined to create a neutral flavor profile that's ideal for cooking, baking, grilling, sautéing, and roasting. If that wasn't enough, the avocados in Nutiva's avocado oil come from small organic farms in Ethiopia that use regenerative farming practices and provide organic farming education to local farmers, so any purchase you make is truly making a global impact. Number 2. Chosen Foods 100% Pure Avocado Oil. Chosen Foods built its entire brand around harnessing the power of avocados, so it's no wonder its 100% pure avocado oil earned the spot of best overall. It's non-GMO, expeller pressed, and naturally refined, to give you a neutral taste without any additives. Chosen Foods avocados, which come from Mexico, are never sprayed with any pesticides and are irrigated only with rainwater. The end result is a smooth, rich avocado oil that's ideal for cooking, baking, finishing, and even skincare. Number 3. Pompeian Avocado Oil Cooking Spray. Since avocado oil has a high smoke point, it is perfect for roasting or cooking with. But sometimes you don't need too much, and that's where a spray bottle can come in handy. Pompeian makes a great, cheap version, ready to be sprayed when you need it. It will last a while as each bottle has about 500 quick sprays in it. Be sure to evenly coat everything you are cooking. This will help when it comes time to scrape the pan. Sometimes the oil isn't fully nonstick. Number 4. BetterBody Foods Avocado Oil. BetterBody Foods uses a natural refining process to create a non-GMO verified avocado oil with a high smoke point of 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it ideal for any type of cooking, including really high heat methods. The refining process also creates a mild, neutral flavor and a smooth finish that complements any dish without overpowering it. You can add this avocado oil to chicken, steak, and roasted vegetables, or you can use it to replace the butter or oil in baked goods. Number 5. Tourangelle Avocado Oil. Tourangelle recommends storing this avocado oil in the refrigerator after opening it, and while that may not be as convenient as storing it in the pantry as oil isn't usually kept there, we recommend this option for any deep frying job, large or small. The bottle is a hefty 16.9 ounces, which means you get just over a pound of oil in each. Filling up a pan or even just using a few tablespoons won't cost you a lot, and won't leave your food tasting like avocados. The flavor of this oil is described as subtle, light, and fruity, so if you are looking for an alternative to vegetable oil, canola oil, or even olive oil or butter, this one is great. That was our list of the top 5 best avocado oil just for you.